Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. We about to invest $100 in YouTube ads using Sprizzy. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, if you don't know what Sprizzy is a third-party website that uses Google Ads to promote your YouTube channel. Now, if you never use Google Ads, Google Advertisement, Google Ad Network is a platform that you could promote more than just YouTube videos. You could promote websites, app downloads, and videos. But if you don't know your way around Google Ads, it could be a little frustrating for a beginner, just somebody that's not tech savvy. Even if you are tech savvy, it could, and if you never ran an ad campaign, it could be frustrating just understanding the budgets and all of the targeting and settings and everything. And what Sprizzy does is it takes that and it simplifies the software, and it makes you able to promote your channel and get the full benefit of Google Ads, the power of Google Ads, but just using a simpler platform that's designed 100% for YouTube. Because like I said, Google Ads is not just designed for YouTube. It's designed for if you have a website, if you have an app you want to promote. You can use Google Advertisement and get traffic sent to your website, to your blog, to your video on another site. So Sprizzy uses the Google Ads platform to solely focus on YouTube videos. And in this video right here, we're about to invest $100 in the Sprizzy. Now, I've used Sprizzy in the past on my channel, and I've seen good results, and I recommend Sprizzy to anybody out there that's thinking about using this. Like I said, if you never use Google Ads, it could be a little difficult for people, even people that's advanced on the computer. If you never set up an ad campaign and ran promotion, paid promotion, to a video or website, then you might have trouble with Google Ads. So one thing about Sprizzy, which I like, is that which nobody really talks about on YouTube, because I don't think a lot of the channels that discuss Sprizzy are monetized yet. But the thing about Sprizzy is you can promote a monetized, or the thing just about Google Ads, when you promote a monetized YouTube video, you get AdSense revenue back. So the goal with my Sprizzy campaign today is to promote some monetized videos, but not just any monetized video. We're gonna promote a monetized video with a high CPM. Now, I don't know if y'all notice, I've talked about this on other videos, but every YouTube video isn't treated the same, advertisement wise. And when you make videos on YouTube about how to earn money online, tutorial videos, things like that, those videos have a much higher CPM than if you make a rap song, or if you make a prank video, or you make an entertainment drama type video. The videos of financial education topics, those have a higher CPM. And the CPM is basically how much you get paid for every 1,000 views on YouTube. So what we doing is, or what we're looking at right here, is my back end on YouTube. And you can see right here, this row specifically, the playback based CPM. You can see all of these different videos on my channel where all of the numbers are different. You can see right here, I made a video how to make money on ClickBank, and that CPM is $350. That's, I need to be promoting that video. We got any video that's about making money online, the CPM is always high. Make money blogging, $140 CPM. What's this? Max bounty CPA training, earn money, $60 CPM. We got a $45 CPM on a Sri Yantra, and that's another thing. Like anything to do with the spiritual wellness, anything to do with meditation and law of attraction, things like that. Videos like that have a very high CPM. Advertisers pay a lot per click on videos like that. So what we're going to be doing is finding some videos on my channel like this one, which I just saw it. It was a law of attraction video I did. Attract millions of dollars using this ancient technique, and it's $37 CPM. That's a good CPM, $37 per thousand. So that's one of the videos we're gonna promote, and we're gonna promote a max bounty video first though. So I already got my campaign set up. Now the thing about Sprizzy, let me just go back. Thing about Sprizzy, right here it has the 3 methods which they will show you a video. They can show you a video on YouTube search. They can show it as a next up video, a YouTube related, and they can show it as a commercial. I made videos in the past going over these steps, but I recommend if you make a commercial, to make a certain video like a 1-minute video. If you're doing a commercial, have a 1-minute video for that. YouTube related, you can use any type of video. YouTube search, I recommend for 10-minute or longer videos, monetized videos that you really want people to watch. Select YouTube search. Now when we go down, we're going to select subscribers and targeting, and then the countries we want. We're going to allow for this video, we're going to allow all countries. We're just going to allow all English speaking countries. No, this is not a song or a band. And right here you can see my existing keywords. Now the thing about the keywords, you need to get very specific. You need to choose keywords with a low competition but a high monthly search value. And you could do this by using services like vidIQ. If we go to the video I'm about to promote right now, hold on, earn 20K. What's this video called? Earn 20. Yup, here we go. So if we go to this video right here, let me show you, and we look at the tags. Hold on, I'm waiting for my computer to load. But if we look at the tags, you will see like, alright, so the thing, I use vidIQ, but somewhere where I go to test my tags, if you click this little button right here, it's a vidIQ button, right? And you will see like, you can see like I got all of these. But CPA marketing, for example, like the search volume is high. That's a high search volume and it's a low competition. So if you was making videos about CPA marketing right now, you got the potential to reach 200,000 people, at a very low competition. So that's why you use certain keywords. And once you click this button, this tool on the vidIQ, you can see all of the closely related keywords, and then they always show the search volume and the competition. So you want one with a good overall score, search volume and competition. But you can see certain keywords, when you see that number right there, like 7 or 11, like I'm ranked, for when you search those keywords, I'm ranked the 7th video and 11th video for that. So that's good. Make money online, like keywords like this, like make money online. Look, the competition is medium, but it got over 2 million searches per month. So that's a good keyword to use when you promoting videos like this, and it helps Brizzy promote your video better. So we got it all set up. We got our first budget set up. We're gonna go through and do that right here. So the first video is gonna be for $30. We're gonna start that immediately, and we're gonna save and continue. We're gonna continue to PayPal. We're gonna do all of this and let it process. All right, y'all can see we just we successfully already linked my account. You see, and just to show y'all, like with Sprizzy, you have to link your YouTube account. It links directly to Google Ads, so that's good. I'm glad this little pop-up showed. But you can see it's already linked. Well, I'm already linked. It's just that's just a reminder. But you can see my campaign was submitted, right? So let's go to my campaign. And it takes a minute. It's pending review right now, but we're gonna promote another video, right? And I already got my tags and everything optimized, but I recommend, like I said on my video on this part, use vidIQ, and you could use Google Keyword Planner. If you use Google Keyword Planner, that's a good way to find good keywords for your video. But if you have vidIQ, and then as you type in keywords, if you just just click on that vidIQ button to the left, you will be able to track the search volume and the competition. And that's what I do when I'm tagging videos. Next video I wanted to promote right here. Let's scroll down more. I wanted to promote, what was that video? This video, attract millions of dollars using this ancient technique. We gotta put some fire behind this video. Let this video, blow up in the search results. So we're gonna give it a little stimulus check. Now, this video, 13 minutes, we're gonna do it as a YouTube search. Primary goal is to get subscribers. Set the targeting. It's real simple. We're gonna choose all English speaking countries. I want the world to know about YON WORLD. Now, you can see all of my keywords. Everything is, pretty good. All of the keywords I want to rank for. Law of attraction explain how to make money online, attract money fast, receive money in 24 hours. These keywords I like. These keywords are low, competition. We even got some competition there, spiritual self. Shout out to spiritual self. But yeah, law of attraction, earn money online, a secret. All of that we want to rank for. And like I said, your keywords matter. Make sure y'all use vidIQ and use Google Keyword Planner. Now, next, we're gonna set that budget to 30. And y'all see how easy it is just to, come on here, set your budget, continue to PayPal. It's real simple. Like, you could, as long as you got money in your account, you can come on here and do it. All right, so we just did another order. We just did another order. Just say this every time. Yeah, I already linked my account. Well, we just submitted another one. All right. Bank account going crazy with the updates because we got our tracking on point. So now let's promote another campaign. Right, so we got 2 pending review. Now we about to promote another video. All right, so what video? High CPM. That PayPal money. All right, let's see. What video? Let's look at the analytics real quick. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Look at the analytics. See how these videos performing. Earn over 20. I just promoted that one. Damn, we ran out of time on the stream. Hey, we promoted 2 videos though. Y'all see it, but it's about to cut off on me. Yeah, it's your boy YON.